AQU119.
Tak lang, tak lang. Tak, kipas satu. 1, 2, 3.
This girl name is Nuramira. This girl name Shadia. This man name Lukman. This man name Adam Haris.
The purpose of this video is
Steps for using a Secchi dish. First, lower the Secchi dish into the water until it is no longer visible. Mark the rope with a wooden clip to indicate the depth out to which the dish disappears. Then, measure the length of the rope using a ruler to obtain the Secchi dish reading. The minimum depth for the Secchi dish reading is between 30 and 60 cm.
Alright, hello guys! In this video, on my part actually, I want to show you guys steps for using a salinity meter. We turn on the digital refractometer and change the range until the display is show PPT. Next, we're gonna put the distilled water to make sure there is no any water in the refractometers and wipe it with tissue. Once it's dry, we apply the water that we take earlier and then close it with hand. Next, we press the button read and we wait the result, and the result is show 1. That's all from me. Thank you.
Moving on, we'll be measuring the pH level of UITM Mukas pond. Here, our lecturer is giving us a short briefing and demonstration on how to use the device on calculating the pH level so that later on we could do it ourselves at the pond. Firstly, we'll wash the pH electrode with distilled water so it's clean. Then we dip the electrode into the pond to start measuring. Once the electrode is submerged into the pond's water, the results will pop up on the screen of the device. But before we record the value given, we have to wait for the number on the screen to stay constant. In this instant, we can see that the value keeps on dropping from 9.05 until we get to 9.01 where it stops. Here's another take which shows it's also 9.01.
Moving on, we'll be talking about DO meter. DO stands for dissolved oxygen. In this instance, our lecturer is giving us instructions how to use and maintain the DO meter. And as you can see here, we're practicing on how to use and maintain the DO meter. And here, we're doing the experiment. Firstly, you need to wash the DO sensor in case of any air bubbles. And afterwards, you can dip it in and wait for the DO meter to become stable and constant. Oh, and I forgot to add, you need to dip the DO sensor until it's fully submerged, so you can get the best answer.